We decided we do not want this product in a capsule, pill, or tablet. We wanted this as close to the way that it was used traditionally as possible to make it commercially available.
If you have taste as a barrier, and you're going to be providing things in the ideal form, which is a liquid in order for the body to be able to take it in, you've got to make sure that you don't have this taste barrier.
We're able to take the mangosteen, put it together in a formulation.
It's then blended with blueberry, raspberry, cranberry, strawberry, pear, apple, grape, and cherry. And that's done for two reasons. One, to create a proprietary formulation for Zango and for no other company. And secondly, to assure that we have a unique product, that we have a palatable product that can be easily consumed.
Trying different things, tasting it to get it exactly right to what it is today. And the formulation is called Zango. How do you describe Zango even? People will try to describe the taste of Zango. It's Zango.
It's hard to describe a taste, but a little bit like a mix of a strawberry, cranberry.
It's a little difficult to put into words.
It's like you're asking me trying to describe the taste of salt. It's not sweet or sour. This is magnificent and sweet and fruity and full of
a little bit sour, a little bit sweet, and a very sophisticated palate.
I remember tasting Zango for the first time. It was like strawberry and cherry, and it was a combination of explosion in my mouth that was fabulous. It was refreshing, it was delicious, and somewhat addicting.
Most people tell me they drink way too much, when they first get their first bottle, because it is so delicious, and you just want to drink more and more and more of it.
The very first thing we noticed in our own family about Zango juice was the fact that not only when our kids drink it, they would drink too much of it. They would drink entire bottles at a time. We actually had to label bottles and get them to slow down.
You'll never meet a 3-year-old anywhere in the world that can pronounce Garcinia Mangostana, but we have this brand that kids will ask for by name.
Had we put it into a retail chain, the product wouldn't have moved because you can't tell a story from a shelf.